Hey there, ready to learn about a super profitable trading strategy that's like a hidden gem in the trading world? Well, you're in luck because I'm about to spill the beans on this game-changing technique that can turn you into a reversal trading master in no time. So what's the secret sauce? It's all about using two premium indicators that help traders like you spot golden opportunities for reversals in the market. Now, I know, trading reversals can be a bit intimidating, right? But hey, don't worry, I've got your back. This video is here to show you that reversal trading isn't as scary as it seems. In fact, it can be pretty darn profitable if you know what you're doing. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to use this strategy step by step, so you can start raking in those profits like a pro. And guess what? This strategy works like a charm on pretty much any asset, whether it's Forex, crypto, indices, or stocks. And you can use it on any time frame too. So let's dive right in. Fire up TradingView and pull up a 15-minute chart for Ethereum. First things first, we're going to add the mean reversion channel indicator by Fei to our chart. This indicator is all about spotting those key reversal points in the market. It's based on the idea that prices tend to revert back to their average over time. Pretty cool, right? Now, to make our strategy even more accurate, we're going to add another indicator called the Awesome Oscillator. This bad boy helps filter out any potential false signals, so we're only trading with the best setups. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually trade with these indicators. When the price dips below the lower red line of the mean reversion channel, we wait for it to pop back above it. Then, when a bullish candle closes above the yellow ribbon and the Awesome Oscillator bar turns green, it's time to enter a buy position. Simple, right? On the flip side, when the price goes above the upper red line, we wait for it to drop back below it. Then, when a bearish candle closes below the yellow ribbon and the Awesome Oscillator bar turns red, it's time to enter a sell position. Easy peasy. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes we'll get a signal to buy or sell, but the Awesome Oscillator won't confirm it right away. In that case, we just gotta be patient and wait for confirmation before making our move. And there you have it. A rock-solid strategy with a win rate that'll make any trader smile. But remember, no strategy is perfect, and there will be times when it doesn't work as expected. The key is to focus on risk management and keep refining your strategy to improve your win rate over time. Bye and good luck out there, traders.